is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about the accused, the five accused. There was this notion about them knowing each other and not knowing each other. Do you guys remember that? It was a hoo-ha. People were talking about the entire time and missing the point. Some of them were intentionally missing the point. Some of them were not understanding what was being said. And I don't want to even lie. Some of them did not understand what was being said because of how it was presented by then lawyers. Those lawyers that about Titi Tobane, yes, that time about Titi Tobane, yeah, it made it look like what are you people saying? Okay. I think now that we got to accuse number 3, we get to understand better what does it mean. I know so and so, I don't know so and so. So we are going to explain in this video who knows who and who doesn't know who, or how so and so knows the other. Okay, so that we talk about this for the last time and never touch on it again because it's quite irritating. It's quite irritating. We don't want to be educating old people over something that is so easy. And I don't know if you guys have noticed this situation of I don't know so and so. They said they don't know each other. They said they know each other. Blah, 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 all of that shandy. And now the evidence, guys, come on, come on, come on. Do not be a slow learner. Do not be a slow learner. Do not be a slow learner. You better come up front and be class grade 12A, okay? When it comes to understanding, don't be a Sibanda. Do not be a Sibanda. Do not hold a PhD and continue saying that I will argue differently when it comes to DNA evidence, whereas it's clear, like daylight. At that time, you have a PhD. Don't be a Sibanda. Do not be a Sibanda, please. Do not be a Sibanda. And do not be a Jatrata who says, I listen, but you don't get to understand. Okay? Do not be a selective listener. Do not be a selective understander. Do not be a Sibanda. All right. I thank you. Now, this is what I want us to talk about. Firstly, I choose 1 and 2. They know each other. I choose 2 is not a close friend to accuse number 1. However, I choose number 1's younger brother, which is brother because they are cousins. Their mothers are sisters. Is Gwabini Sifi. So Gwabini Zungu is a cousin to accuse number 1. Their mothers are sisters. It's accused number 1's mother, then Gwabini's mother. They are sisters from the same family. Kwantuli. They are from Kwantuli surname. Ne? Nduli clan. Nduli surname. Ne? When we say Kwantuli, we know as African people, I can be Ntsime, and then there will be other Ntsimes somewhere around the Eastern Cape. It does not mean I know them. We will still have the same clan. Okay? We will have the same Stakazelo, but we don't know each other. The only thing that will make us be like, oh, you are Umtase, it's because we like, oh, the same name. If it's not the same name, it's the Tagazelo are the same. Then we're like, oh, Umtase. Do you understand? So chances are, who I choose number 1, don't know Untuli like that. Ne? Yes. Don't know Untuli like that. Oh, but let me explain. So who I choose 1, no, Gwabini is cousins, and Gwabini is an acquaintance of I choose number 2, acquaintance friend of I choose number 2. So that is how they know each other. No, I choose number 1, Shapuke. And then who I choose number 1, no, Constable Zungu are coming from the same village. Ne? No, actually, Zungu's father is coming from the same village as who I choose number 1, Zungu's father. However, Uzungu, the constable, was never raised Kwateza. He was raised in Newcastle, Nasenkandla. So he did not grow up with them. He used to be a visitor at his father's place because he was born out of wedlock. Let's put that clear, make it clear. He was born out of wedlock. All right? Yes. So they don't know each other like that. And then the Zungu clan, they know the Zungu clan, not all of them know him, but they know of him. So when they actually met him in 2015 and then in 2017 again, it's because of these phones that we have now. So they kept on keeping in touch because Zungu, the constable, was trying to come to his father's family side. All right? Paternal, ne? Yes. Now come back to the accused. You see how they know why Zungu, the constable? Now I choose one and two. I choose one knows number two because of his little brother. And then I choose number one. Don't know I choose number three. Ne? Because they are not from the same village. They actually, it doesn't sound like they ever even met in Gauteng. So they don't know each other. And then who I accused, and because he even goes to the stand and says, I don't know him at all. I don't know him. I first met him at Boksburg prison when we appeared for the first time. Sorry, at Boksburg court when we appeared for the second time. I don't know him. And then I choose number four. No, I choose number one. They know each other. I suppose because of clan, ukuzalana, because I choose number one says malume, uncle, to I choose number four. So, Mdagasisi. I'm sure it's not something related per se, but because of Emakaya, there's too much ukuzalana, ukuhlobana, ne? There's too much relative situation happening there. So they are calling each other Malume and Mshan. And then I choose number five. Did he say he knows him? Because I doubt the mother of I choose number one and number ending Kwabini is that Ntuli what this from this Ntuli guy. I think it's because of the surname. So that is why Yena, he doesn't call him anything. They don't know each other like that. Because Lo is not from Kwanongoma. Let's make it very clear. The Zungus are not from Kwanongoma. The Zungus are from Emahlabatin. Emahlabatin is a neighboring town. No Kwanongoma. So close by. Ne? So it's you can see each other's villages, but they are not from the same town. Right? Sharp. Then who I choose number two, already relationship here with I choose number one. I've explained it. Then I choose number two. Don't know these guys. 3, 4, and 5. He don't know them. He knows number one, but the others he doesn't know them at all. He doesn't know them. And then who I choose number 3. Don't know who I choose 1 at all. He explained it. No, I choose number 1 said so. Who I choose number 2 said I don't know. I choose number 2. I mean number 3. So no, I choose number 3. Don't know why I choose number 2 because they said the first time we saw each other was in Boksburg. 2020, 27 October 2020. I hope this is becoming clear. And then I choose number 3 says, I'm from Emachamhlope, Kwanongoma. I'm not from the same village with all of these guys. And I know I choose number 4. He's my bestie. We come a long way since 2011, if he's not mistaken. He even said so. We've known each other. Because ngobafana bomshikashika, mhlambe bazana emshikashike nasazi, but they know each other. And it seems as if he was introduced by other guys when he was coming out of prison. I choose number 3 to I choose number 4. I don't know. And then they ended up being best buddies, bosom buddies. This is now 2010, 2011, somewhere there. And then I choose number 5. I choose number 5 is known to I choose number 3 because of his Abomabungu Ntuli. Mabungu Ntuli is the Babomngane of I choose number 5. So Mabungu Ntuli was the one who was close with I choose number 3 and number 4. So that's how I choose number 3 and 4. No, I choose number 5 through his uncles. Now, does that make sense? So when they say they don't know each other, they don't mean I don't know all of them. It's my first time seeing them. They explain it now. I hope the explanation makes sense. They make sense. Because guys, you can be so frustrating when you are asking these questions about their knowledge of each other and they tried. I think now it's crystal clear. 3, 4, and 5, they know each other. And on the 26th of October, 3, no 4, they were together the entire day until evening. Then went to their place of sleep. And then 3, 4, and 5 were together from 5 p.m. okay, just after 5 p.m. until number 4 went to sleep, and number 3 and 5 went to sleep. They were staying in one flat. They were sharing a flat. Ne? Does that make sense now? They were together. That's their alibi, those three. They were together on the 26th of October, and they have backing up of pictures. They have backing up of a digital trail. They have back up of cell phone evidence. Picture, photographs is proving what they are saying. Am I making sense? Am I making sense now? I hope that is clear for everybody. I hope it's clear now. We are not going to be asking this question all over again. I hope we understand. Now that is how they know each other. Okay? Accused number 3 and 4, they are best friends. They know each other. They were together on the 26th. They have proof pictures to prove they were at the same space that day until it was late, and then each person went to their respective sleeping place. Accused 5 was at work, but after 5, they fetched him Estishi. And then after fetching him Estasi, they went to sleep. They stayed with him from past 5 until when they had to drop Mapisa off wherever he was staying. And then, yeah. Am I making sense? I hope we will not have this conversation ever again. Thank you so much. I don't want to see anyone writing a comment asking, didn't they say they don't know each other? Listen and listen to understand. I thank you. Bye-bye.